Hi, my name is Wendy. My husband and I hired NV Kitchen and Baths to redecorate our bathroom. Prior, it was kind of getting a little bit dated, and we wanted a little bit more of a modern feel for our bathrooms. So we worked with Moogie Kennedy at NV Kitchens and Bath, and she helped us with the whole selection process from choosing tile to fixtures and bathtubs to kind of pull the whole the look together to make it a cohesive feel. And it was very, very effortless. It definitely made it a little less stressful than trying to figure everything out on our own. We definitely would recommend them to anybody looking to remodel your kitchen or bath, as we did. And the crew that came in, very respectful, kept everything nice and clean, very polite, went above and beyond to try and do the best to, make everything to what we wanted it to be. So I think if you're considering NV Kitchen and Bath, I would highly recommend them.